Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're reviewing the Slivor VisioEar, an ear cleaning device that claims to enhance hearing clarity, remove wax buildup, and prevent infections. Sounds great, right? But is it actually legit or just another online scam? Let's break it down. First, the website boasts a 4.7 out of 5 rating with 832 glowing reviews. But when we checked Trustpilot, there were no reviews at all. That's a huge red flag. If a product is truly popular, you'd expect to see real, independent customer feedback, not just hand-picked testimonials on their own site. Next, let's talk about their pricing strategy. They offer a 40% discount, free shipping, and claim it's a limited time deal. This is a common pressure tactic used by suspicious websites to make buyers act fast. Legitimate brands don't rely on these tricks. Now, the design of the product itself looks strikingly similar to many other ear cleaning devices being sold under different names. That suggests this is likely a rebranded generic product, rather than a true innovation. They even claim that a Dr. John Harris, board-certified audiologist, is behind it. But here's the issue. The same doctor's image appears on multiple other websites. It's likely fake, used to give the product false credibility. Another concern? Lack of proper contact information. A trustworthy business should provide a phone number or physical address. But Slivor VisioEar only lists an email. This makes it harder to get support or request a refund. Finally, the website itself was registered on December 10th, 2024, meaning it's brand new. A company selling a revolutionary product should have a history, right? With all these red flags, fake reviews, misleading endorsements, aggressive discounts, and a brand new website, Slivor VisioEar seems highly suspicious. I'd recommend avoiding it and looking for trusted alternatives instead.